Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix this issue with the Toyota Prius, that the dashboard lights are all off. I came the other day, yesterday I got on the car, I turned the car on, and next thing you know, there's no dashboard lights here. I drove all the way back home without knowing how fast I was going. Luckily here in Hawaii you can only drive so fast. Yeah, so as you guys can see, this one is on and those lights are off, and right now the car is on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the car off. We're gonna put it in the accessory mode. Okay, we're not gonna press the brake and turn the car on. We're just gonna put it in accessory mode. Okay, and then you're gonna press the climate button. Okay, so you're gonna hold this one, and while you hold this button, you're gonna go to the lights and you're gonna turn them on and then off. Okay, and then you stop holding this button. Okay, so you let it go. After you do that, you should see the seat sign right there flashed in red, and then that means that your dashboard lights have been reset. So okay, we're gonna do it right now. So gonna hold the climate button. Okay, and then we're gonna go here and okay, and then we're gonna keep holding it and let it go. So something happened there, right? So something turned on and off. This light, it would be really quick. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and shut the car off all the way. My check engine light went on. So okay, the car is off right now, all the way off. So now you're gonna turn the engine on, press on the brake pad, okay, nothing happened. Okay guys, so in order to fix this issue, you're gonna have to turn the car on without pressing the brake pedal. Okay, so you would just put it on power, so it's gonna be on. Okay, and once the screen it's on, you might have to do this 2 or 3 times. It's not hard, so you guys will be able to do this on your own. You're gonna hold the climate button right there. Okay, you hold it down, and while you hold it down, you turn this on and off. Okay, again, you might have to keep pressing it down. You're gonna have to do it again. Okay, and then you'll see the door sign come on, and then it's gonna beep. Okay, so when you hear that beeping noise, then you will turn the car on and the lights should turn off. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so I'm gonna push this climate button right there. So I'm gonna press it. Okay, now I'm turning the lights on and then off. Okay, nothing happened, so I'm gonna do it again. Okay, nothing. Again. Let's try again. Hold it down. Okay. Okay. Now I turned the light off. I turned the car on again, and it came on. So that was an easy fix, guys. Personally, when I did that, I almost thought that it wasn't gonna do anything, but it finally fixed it, so everything came on. So remember, guys, hold it down. While you hold it down, you go here, on, off, on, off, on, off. Do it a few times. Turn the car on, off, and then on, like turn the engine on, everything, and voila, that's the solution. So if this helps you guys, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow my channel, so it will mean a lot for me. Thank you guys again, and have a nice day.